Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your wealth building with Goldman Sachs easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin improving your wealth building with Goldman Sachs, start by visiting their official website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up option. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email, and contact details. Set a strong and secure password for your account. Once registered, log into your account using your credentials. Next, explore the various investment options available through Goldman Sachs. Familiarize yourself with their investment management services. Consider reviewing their wealth management tools. Evaluate your current financial situation to identify areas for improvement. You may utilize tools like investment calculators provided on the website. Start setting clear financial goals tailored to your specific needs. Check out the resources section for educational content on wealth building. Engage with their expert analysis and market insights to inform your decisions. Explore potential investment products that align with your goals. Consider reaching out to a financial advisor at Goldman Sachs for personalized advice. Review any fees associated with investment products to understand your expenses. Begin by diversifying your portfolio to mitigate risks. Make consistent contributions to your investment accounts. Regularly monitor your investments and adjust your strategies as needed. Stay informed about market trends and changes that may affect your investments. Take advantage of tax-efficient investment strategies recommended by experts. Finally, be patient and remain committed to your wealth-building journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.